Let's see if there is volume. Let's see if there is volume. Okay, there is. Good morning to everyone. I didn't do video from I think 1-2 days. I was away on vacation. Well, actually had a nice weekend. Not vacation, but a nice weekend away. So I've just entered a short position, and yeah, I want to wait for it a little bit more. Let's do our usual analysis on Bitcoin. So the daily looks like it will continue to the downside. So we had a small, I would say not upside, but even consolidation. And still Bitcoin looks very weak without legs. And I would say that we're heading for another wave down, maybe a final wave. Let's see the weekly. Now on the weekly we see that it's almost about to go to the upside, but the money flow is steadily decreasing, so we have to see. I mean, maybe we have 1 or 2 weeks max more downside. I hope we have 1 more week of downside and this is it. It would be interesting to see what will happen. Well, 4 hour looks going down, but we have this view up going up, so it might recover. It's not set in stone. Also the 3 hour seems there is more to go on the upside. 1 hour also seems up. We're rotating a little bit on the 45 minute. It's interesting where we go with this one. Well, there is already 10% made for me. I'm wondering if I should take this or maybe wait a little bit more. Maybe I'll wait a little bit more, because this 3 minute is nice going down, and the 15 minute looks bearish. Like, this is impulsive corrective, this is impulsive again, so I don't know. Maybe I'll place a stop loss and remove the, let me see the 3 hour. It doesn't look very bearish, to be honest. I think I'll be taking the profit. Maybe just need a little bit more here. There's 1 minute more here. Okay. Yeah, I think there is a little bit more to go. Maybe I'll wait for my take profit at 21.50. Yeah, other than that, on the higher time frames, I mean, I wanted to see mainly the 3 hour. There might be continuation, but we don't know. I mean, it is just going down right now, but the money flow is not convincingly for me going down, so there might be a small little wave like that again and dump more. This is what I see currently. Well, probably it's good idea to have a stop loss, but let's set stop loss. Um, it's at the stop loss 21. Come on, 21, 2, 2. Yeah, let's play it like this on the safe side. If it goes up, I'll be out of it. But seeing this 3 minute, it seems that yeah, it might be recovering. We still have 15 minutes on the second candle, so I'll wait for it. This is falling nicely, this money fall. Let's wait a little bit more. So what I wanted to say, okay, let's see. Yeah, this indicator is showing that the interest is falling in Bitcoin. Exactly, we're consolidating, and this might have been the high at the wall right now. Sorry, I mean that might have been the bottom that we had the latest wall a few days ago on June 13, 14. But we might print another wave up. In this case we're going in this case this is not the bottom, and we're going lower. So that's something in mind. This aggregated cumulative volume delta is only going up. We printed a high here, so maybe it's time to roll over to the downside again. Exo charts, not much happening here. I mean, open interest is falling a little bit. So we have we're trading the value area low on the 4-hour. We're above the VWAP on the 4-hour, so we might go up, to be honest. But I don't know, seeing this 15 minute, it looks bearish to me. Looks really bearish, but we might be able to recover. I mean, who knows. The 30 minute also looks bearish here. So I'll be playing for more. I don't want to take 6% or 7% right now. I'll take my chances to hunt for more. Yeah, because I think there might be opportunity here to short this. Well, I'm almost out of it, but it may turn down. So let's see. Maybe I have to take the 6% and run. But this money flow is really nice to the downside. 3-minute green momentum dot. I want to see what is happening with this 15-minute. 10 minutes more. Let's see if we can have another dump down. Okay, other than that, let's see the options. Well, very low volume today, a little bit more puts than calls, which is bearish, but very low volume. I think that's why we're very slow in this move. Oh, there is something interesting here. The Max Payne. This is inching a little bit to the upside, very slow. Well, I'm going to leave it. If I get taken out, it's fine. However, I do I do think that this is going down. The view up on the 1 minute is turning. Let's see. Let's hope we go down. Okay, something interesting here. The Max Payne went down to 25k, and now it's very close to the price. The open interest expired, so right now we don't have much volume until 1st of July. Yeah, so 1st of July is actually Friday, but it's not too much. I mean, we have the biggest volume of expirations end of July. I was surprised that the market makers couldn't push the price up last Friday, but yeah, this kind of things happen. So Gex is reset, by the way, it's positive, which is strange. I mean, it went up, it went even 11k. Wow. I think we're preparing for another move down, another leg down, which can go to 15k or 60k, even lower. It can wick down even lower, but if the price goes to 14, 15k, I would definitely buy more Bitcoin, because this might be the low. This might be the bottom, sorry, not the low, but the bottom. Okay, 2 hour, 4 hour, not much happening here. A little bit more puts, so it's bearish. It's bearish. Weighted funding rate, funding is positive again. This is nice for a dump. Now let's see the vol index. Oh, we have a huge gap here. The vol index 86 and the price is 20, so I think the price can start coming down again to close the gap, and if we start coming down again we might dump. Well, the probability of going down is big, I would say, really big. What is happening here is not doing anything. Yeah, I hope this 1 minute finally starts to roll over, turn down, because the 15 minute is looking nice for a down move. Come on. It would be a bummer if it goes up, takes my stop, and goes down after that. Usually that's what happens. That's why I usually run with the profit, but not this time. I want to leave it. It's early in the morning still, so I'll have plenty of time to trade more. Yeah. Come on, go down. meet my target. Yeah, I mean this 1 minute looks like it's just about to dump. Well, that's from my side. The analysis from my side. I think it's safer to play to the downside right now. Although there are some bullish signs, there are some bearish signs, but I think the bearish signs are bigger right now, and it's safer to play to short this. Well, this looks a little bit bearish, but if we cross this to the upside, it would be bullish. I don't know. We can bounce from this trend line up on the 45 minute. So yeah, it's good to have a stop loss. We have so many candles. What is happening? 3 minutes to go for the 15 minute. This is crazy. Where this 1 minute will go? It would go to my position, most probably. Okay. I'll be watching this, having fun. Let's see if it takes my position. I would short again if it takes it and starts to decline again. Like 3 minute, 5 minute. Well, 5 minute looks up. I don't know, it's very tricky. Okay, it will take it. I'm leaving. Most probably I'll short again if I see good opportunity right there at 22,600. Yeah. That's why it's always good to take the profit and now it's turning down. Yeah. Now it's turning down, of course. But the 5 minute looks bullish, so I'm not in a hurry right now. Like the 3 minute, there might be more. Let's see what happens. Okay, what interesting I can show. Let's see.
Or entering a trade. But what we need to understand is that most of the time, breakouts are fake outs. Now, it might actually be a real breakout. This exact level, this is the target of the rising wedge that we have had on our charts since the end of November, where this exact level has been on our radar for months. But it was a Saturday. I don't trade on Saturdays. And so if I'm going to get into a long, there's no rush. There's no FOMO. From support, okay? It's like finding a high volume node right at the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. What could be better? Okay? What could be better? And so these are some areas we need to be aware of. In fact, I would say that these are probably the 3 juiciest areas that I'm personally looking for a higher low. First of all, this beautiful watermelon slice right here at about 20.5, 20.4, 20.5, okay? Then not in there anymore. I apologize. So chart. This green box is too simple, but this is legit like, you know, trading is literally just support and resistance, right? That's the bread and butter. That's the bread and butter of it, right? People try and get so complicated. They're looking at whack-offs, and they're looking at, you know, what's the guy's name? Elliot's waves, and Elon Musk tweets, and all this stuff, right? Really, they just need to be drawing houses, right? They just need to be drawing houses on their dang charts, right? So we got our little guy right here, okay? And the thing is, right now, if he jumps up, he's going to his head on the ceiling, poof, come back down, right? His head on the ceiling, poof, come back down. But if he takes the stairs, then he's going to be on the next floor, okay? And so how are we going to know if Bitcoin takes the stairs or not, right? That's the big question. Everyone's like, oh, well, it's easy to mark out levels, but how do you know if it's a breakout or not? Simple. If we break the level and then we retest it as support and we don't fall through and we see bullish divergences on some lower time frames, that means we have officially flipped support into resistance. And maybe we could take this escalator up, or it's a stair lift, it's a chair lift. It's a chair lift because this guy down here, he's morbidly obese, okay? He's morbidly obese. He's addicted to potato chips and sitting on the couch. So he has to take the stair lift up. And it's going to be a very smooth move up there, guys. It's one of those modern stair lifts, okay? Lightning fast. There's no market structure here. There's an escalator right up through this area. And then we'll be up here again. And once we're up here, guys, you know, we're just looking at this as like a house, right? We very well may be able to come right back up to here, right? We have very little market structure on the way down. We could come up just as fast as we came down, and we could have a pretty significant relief rally. I would say even up to like 48K before we get another move to the downside, if we even get another move to the downside, right? We could come up just as fast as we came down. I know people are super bearish, but we have to remain neutral. We just have to draw our houses and look out for our levels. So really for me, 23K, key. 28K, super key. And then I would say probably around 32, 33K is also key. Why 32, 33,000? Because we have these highs right here, right? Around 32.5. And then around 33K, we have this these previous lows, right? We're just looking at where price has found sticking point, because most of the time price is going to be trading sideways, right? Most of the time it's not going to be the epic move to the downside or the epic move to the upside. Most of the time we're simply going to be trading sideways like this, right? We were trading sideways right here. And then even after we had the move to the upside, right, we were trading sideways right here for about a week or so, right? This is the daily time frame. And then we came here and we were just simply trading sideways. And then we were down here and we were just simply trading sideways. And that's why, even though people are getting ultra bullish right here, inverse head and shoulders, I'm thinking to myself, I don't know, man. We might just end up trading sideways for a while. We're not going to know for certain unless our little man comes up and takes the stairs or the escalator because he's fat and potato chips and all that, and does something like this. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And yeah, I'm going to pop into chat. Maybe we could take a look at some other assets. I know that there's been some crazy stuff going on lately in the Bitcoin and just crypto in general, not just Bitcoin, but crypto in general. So how's my Bitcoin short going? Let's take a look at her. How's she doing? She's hanging in. She's hanging in. So here's where my mind is at right now for the short, guys. Like for me, right now, the make it or break it is going to be, let's go to the 12-minute time frame. And it's not a new day yet, guys. We have about half an hour until the new day begins. Let's put on Market Cypher SR, take a look at our VWAP. So like I said, I added to the trade. I originally shorted from up here. I added to the trade when we got this nice rejection from VWAP here. And then now I'm just kind of holding it out, right? Holding it out. Because if we are going to dump, I want to have a little bit of a chunkier position. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of a chunkier position, like these pair of uneven butt cheeks here. This pair of uneven butt cheeks is kind of the position size that I want. Local golden pocket here. I would see that as a pretty strong sign. And also, we'll have to wait for...
Hey, so it's going up. Yeah, I had to take my full profit, but yeah, doesn't matter now. Doesn't matter, there might be good, even better short opportunity. Let's see. This money fall is climbing, which I don't like, to be honest. Well, we might have more to the upside. Money flow is increasing. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah. Okay, I'm shorting again. This time without any stop losses. I don't care. Yeah, dump it, baby.
For daily open to see what happens at daily open, right? We might get an open drive type thing where we just blast through VWAP. That happens often, right? We'll have to wait and see. But for right now, I would say that like 21.3, that's like my area. I would even give it up to the 786, right? This zone. If we come up into this zone here, because at the golden pocket, we see that we have this area of support right here. Like just with our eyes, we could draw the line, boop, and see that it was a very clear consolidation right here, resistance, and then support, resistance, support. So like that's an important level, that golden pocket. And then we have this level up here at the 786, where we just have it acting as support, 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 resistance, support, lost, right? So I would give it up to there, and then I honestly might close the trade just to keep my profits in. It's in the description of my most previous videos, where you can join if you want to be part of the Casper crew. We're gonna give it a run, guys. I think we have like 100. 167. Nice. Yeah, 167. It begins tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you're interested, you could do that, and you don't have to do it, guys. I'm not here to shill Bybit affiliates, but if you do want to do it under my troop, that's what you got to do. Right? There's nothing too crazy. I'm very interested to see what happens upon daily open here. Right? I'm very interested to see what happens upon daily open. Am I looking for a long at 20,500? I am looking for a long. Yes, I am looking for a long at 20,500. That's the golden pocket, guys. I am absolutely looking for a long at 20,500. And hang on one second, guys. I have to grab my phone, which fell on the floor here. Here, hang on one second. Stay tuned, and shout out to Carl from the Moon for sponsoring this content.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
CME close. Make sure to like the video, guys. This is some quality content. Carl from the Moon taking me to McDonald's in his Maserati. The CME closed on Friday right here, right? We came above it, we came below it, we came above it, we came below it, above it, below it. Look at how this level has been acting as very, very important support resistance here. Very, very interesting indeed. Don't know what that means, but I haven't really seen that happen too much before. Where it itself was acting as a. We do see bullish CVD, but again, it's we didn't have too many shorts opening here. Same deal. Do we have any kind of daily points of control that we need to be aware of? Depending on, yeah, 2472. That's a. That's right at the golden pocket. I mean, yeah, that could be a pretty juicy one. J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish, by the way. All right, well, here we go, baby. We're dumping. We're dumping. We're pumping, now we're dumping. Shout out to you. Shout out to Rohit. Shout out to Jason Brown. Shout out to Keenstar, who just ate so much chicken. Coming up here, money flow coming up here. The 3 month. Alright guys, well, you know what? It's been a good stream. I think I'm gonna head out. Got some things to do. But shout out to Din, who says shout out to Jay for TA on Sunday. Our in-house rapper. Am I getting a new laptop? No, I'm not gonna get a new laptop anytime soon, guys. Take a look to the CME chart. Yeah, so the CME gap, guys, is right here. I mean, yeah, technically our CME gap is right up here. So we do have a gap to the upside right now. We have a gap to the upside right now. And, you know, we could fill that gap and then dump more. So this is the CME close from Friday. We currently just opened up the new daily candle with a gap to the upside. But guys, I am going to head out. Got some things to do before I head off to bed. Just wanted to come and do a quick little video, quick little TA live stream, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because, you know, this is some good content, guys. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but, you know, this is some pretty in-depth technical analysis here, right? You're not going to find this on a lot of channels, but I do pray everyone is super blessed in the name of Jesus the Messiah. You know, I don't take myself very seriously, but I definitely take my walk with the Lord very seriously. My relationship with Jesus the Messiah. You know, he's the reason I live, guys. He really is. He gives me hope. He gives me purpose in life. And I believe he has a purpose for everyone in life. And so, if you're hearing my voice right now, receive this blessing in the Hebrew language. The purpose of this blessing is that the Creator, the Lord of the heavens and the earth, would place his authority, his name upon you, his character upon you, and bless you. It goes like this: Yevarechecha Adonai, v'yishmerecha, Ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'chunecha, Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom, b'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Yisrael, which in English means, may the Lord bless and guard and protect you. May he shine his light upon you. May he have grace upon you. And may he turn his face towards you and give you completeness and wholeness and peace in the name of Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel. Amen. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Guys, peace also from me. It seems this will go a little bit to the downside. I hope. I'll take it if this goes to 21 something. But there is also a chance it won't go there. We'll see. Anyway, have a nice day ahead. Bye.